Hey everybody, welcome back for another edition of Dirty Tricks, scams that the uniform rental companies are doing to fill their pockets and empty yours. So today we're going to be talking about the tool scam. The tool scam is something that it doesn't seem like it is something that you should be aware of, but you actually should. Even, people look at their invoices and they'll see that they're getting charged a laundry bag. Well, there's a charge on there and it says $0 for the laundry bag clips, hanger rack. It could be a dust mop handle, a wet mop handle, a dust mop frame. Any sort of tools where you're getting charged $0. You might think, oh, that's cool, no problem. I understand they need to keep it on the invoice. But here's the thing. Anytime you have a line item that has zero, I have seen it so many times where all of a sudden a charge appears on there and nobody's checking the contract to make sure that they can do that. Nobody is doing it. And so you're giving them the ability to increase the prices whenever they want to, or a line item where they, so what I recommend is just delete that completely. Tell them, get rid of it. I don't want it here. If you want to mark my inventory or my file that I have a that I have a dust mop handle, then I'll sign it. That's cool. But don't leave it on my invoice. Or look, when you're negotiating the contract, here's what I do. And these are things that people never think about. And that's why I'm the expert. That's why people hire me. So what you want to do is make sure that there's something in the contract that says that you're not going to get charged for tools ever. And in that way, they can never use that line item. And if they do, you can always go back and get credit for that. So beware of the tool scam, guys. It's something that the uniform companies do to fill their pockets and empty yours. My name's Eddie. I'm a uniform rental expert witness, expert consultant. I represent people in arbitration, and I help people to lower their bills and negotiate new contracts. Like, subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.